Welcome to my channel. Today we're tackling a subject that's crucial to any successful build material submittals. You see, it doesn't matter if you're building a house, a skyscraper or a bridge, using the right materials is non-negotiable. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about safety, durability and making sure your project meets building codes. We're going to break down the entire material submittal process step by step, so you can avoid costly mistakes and make sure your project is built right. All right, let's talk about getting those submittals ready. This is where the rubber meets the road, folks. First off, you need to be organized. That means having all your ducks in a row: material specs, manufacturer info, technical data sheets, test certificates, the whole 9 yards, and don't cut corners here. If you wouldn't accept shoddy work on your own home, don't even think about submitting it. Remember, clarity is key. Make sure your submittal is easy to understand, well organized, and leaves no room for ambiguity. A good submittal is like a blueprint for your materials. It sets the standard for your entire project. Once you've submitted your materials, the architect or engineer takes over. This is where they make sure everything is up to snuff. They'll be checking if the materials you've chosen align with the project's needs and if they meet building codes. Now, if you've done your due diligence in the first stage, this part should be smooth sailing, but there might be instances where they come back with questions or require additional information. Don't sweat it, it's all part of the process. Just remember, this stage is crucial to avoid delays and costly rework down the line. So, the reviewer got back to you with some revisions. Don't panic, it happens to the best of us. This is where good communication is key. Listen carefully to their concerns and understand why the changes are needed. Maybe they need more details about the product, or perhaps there's a better alternative available. Remember, this is a collaborative process. Address those revisions promptly and thoroughly. You're both on the same team, working towards a successful project. This is the moment of truth, folks. The approval or rejection of your materials. If you've followed the process diligently and addressed all concerns, you're likely to get the green light. And let me tell you, there's no better feeling than seeing that approved stamp. But if for some reason your materials get rejected, don't despair. It's not the end of the world. Take it as a learning experience. Understand why it was rejected, find suitable alternatives, and resubmit. With your materials approved, it's time to get everyone on the same page. Distribute copies of the approved submittals to all the key players, contractors, subcontractors, suppliers. This keeps the project moving smoothly and prevents any confusion down the line, and for goodness sake, maintain detailed records. This documentation can be a lifesaver if any issues or disputes arise in the future. Trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Proper documentation is your best defense against potential headaches. So there you have it, the ins and outs of material submittals. Remember, this process is in place to protect you, the homeowner, and ensure that your project is built to last. By using quality materials and following the proper procedures, you're setting yourself up for a successful and stress-free construction experience. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more construction tips and advice. And remember, don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments below. I'm here to help.